I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy fractional shares on Etrade. First, understand that fractional shares allow you to invest in high-priced stocks with a smaller budget. This means you can own a piece of a company without needing to purchase an entire share. It's a fantastic way to start diversifying your portfolio, even if you're beginning with a modest amount of money. This approach makes investing more accessible for everyone. To begin, make sure your Etrade account is fully funded and active. You'll want to confirm that your account is set up for fractional share trading, which is typically standard. Next, open the Etrade trading platform or mobile app. Use the search bar to find the specific stock you're interested in buying. For example, if you want to invest in a company like Apple, simply type in its ticker symbol or name. Once you've selected your desired stock, click the Buy button. Instead of choosing to buy a specific number of shares, look for an option to buy by dollar amount. This is key for fractional shares. Enter the exact dollar amount you wish to invest, for instance, $50. The platform will then show you the estimated fraction of a share you'll receive. Carefully review all the order details before confirming your purchase. Fractional shares offer significant advantages, making high-priced stocks accessible to more investors. They also simplify dollar-cost averaging, allowing you to invest a consistent amount regularly, regardless of share price fluctuations. This strategy can help reduce risk over time. And speaking of smart financial moves, I highly recommend checking out a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth. You'll find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Continue to diversify your portfolio across various companies to build long-term wealth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.